My name's Kate Day. I'm Vice President of Workforce Enablement for MetLife within the Global Technology and Operations Division. Technology touches everything within a corporation, and that includes actually how we develop talent. So in the world of high-tech skills, technology is an enabler because we can have now a combination of video, PDFs, we can have instructor-led classes. Technology can bring the whole experience together for the learner. And I actually think that the role, particularly in our group, which is Workforce Enablement, the role of learning has evolved. And I think we need to move towards curators of content, and we have to be facilitators of the experience. And by that I mean the traditional learning and development role. Traditionally people would schedule a class and you would go to that. So again, because of technology and the platforms that we can use, we can bring new kinds of learning experiences together, right? Artifacts of learning, and we have to facilitate that experience for the learner, connect it and make it feel relevant to what they do in their everyday job. So we created a technology wrapper around our early and career program, and it's called MetLife Technical University is our program name, and the actual platform, which is an open source platform we built, is called MTU Connect, MetLife Technical University Connect. So this connects three groups, if you will. Number one, it connects the learner with the learning experience, right, and the content. So it enables us to be that curator of content I mentioned, as well as the facilitator of the experience. So as the learner, I can go in, I can see my tailored learning map. I also can see my scorecard. How am I doing as a learner in terms of my technology tests, my communication or executive presentation skills assessment, and I can see my grades. This becomes a vehicle then for me to have feedback sessions with my program manager as well as my hiring manager. MTU Connect also connects the manager to the learner. So as a manager, again, I can go into the system and I can see how my associate's doing in the program, see the grades, and it provides me with a foundation to have a conversation. And then finally, it connects with the business because it facilitates a dialogue of the projects that we want the learner to work on. Again, to contextualize the experience so it's relevant to the internal team that learner is going to be placed in. Well, for their early in careers, as everyone labels them, millennials, they want to be developed, and that's absolutely the case, particularly in technology and internal IT groups. There is a hunger to be up to speed and up to date on the latest and greatest technologies. So the program that we developed at MetLife for Global Technology and Operations does just that. And it's a 5-month program which has a combination of technology classes, business acumen, communication, and solving real-life projects and business problems and presenting them back out to the executives. And the 5 months program culminates with the capstone project. And actually our Chief Technology Officer and his senior staff flew in to hear the best of our pilot class. And it was a phenomenal experience, and he actually funded these projects that they were essentially pitching to him and saying, here's how we can solve a business problem using technology. So I don't know of any other program where at that age in your early 20s you get that exposure to senior executives. And that helps become a retention aid, if you will, for this age group. We surveyed, for our next 3 cohorts that we have, we surveyed them, why did you choose MetLife? Because most people wouldn't think of MetLife as a technology organization. And the number one response, hands down, was the fact that they had 5 months of development with this program.